$10,000 minimum.
The costs keep adding up for Luis Sosa, who hasn't been able to return home for more than a month. His family now has to throw away a treadmill, a lawnmower, and other household items because of newly discovered flood damage. All of it on top of a waterlogged crawl space from December's White River flood that forced them to turn the heat off.
We just try to use space heaters just kind of keep the house at least a little bit warm. Unfortunately, with our house, is not able to really keep up with that much like wattage and power.
Luis says their circuits went out on Tuesday, and on Wednesday, Washington Governor Bob Ferguson sent a letter to President Trump formally requesting federal major disaster declaration and FEMA funding to help flood victims.
We got to start potentially looking for personal loans, pulling out, maybe 401ks, things of that nature.
Luis says they need the money now to repair the damage before it gets worse. Other families could use it to find stable housing until a more permanent solution becomes available. The governor requested the highest amount FEMA could provide, an estimated $21.3 million.
It would definitely help out a lot.
If FEMA approves, Luis says it would be a game changer for his family and his dog, Canelo, finally giving them a chance to get back home.
At least make it more manageable, making all the payments and stuff.
If FEMA gives the green light, people in 10 counties, including King, Pierce, and Snohomish, could apply for that aid, and so could 15 federally recognized tribal nations. You can find the full list of eligible areas on our website. Madeline Carter, King 5 News.